We've done some crazy stuff before. Skydiving, rock climbing, crazy skiing.
Yeah.
But this is the ultimate edge. This is the ultimate challenge. This is life and death.
Yes.
In breathtaking speeds coming down the hill. Are you ready?
Yeah, I am. It was lovely to know you, honey.
Speed demons of the snow.
Come on, bring it on. Ooh, ooh, makeup, makeup.
Let's do this. Awesome. Crushing it. They don't stand a chance. 6 degrees Fahrenheit makes us fly. I have a co-pilot here. Hi. You ready? Awesome! How did you do? Tubing is kind of like life. Sometimes it's hard to keep your pants dry. It goes by really fast.
Yeah.
It's bumpy at times.
And when you think that it stopped, it might go even faster.
It goes faster. It's bumpy, scary, it goes by fast, but it's also exhilarating.
It's fun.
It's exciting. And
you're allowed to scream.
if you don't watch it, you can get hurt.
Yeah.
But that doesn't mean you shouldn't give it a try and you shouldn't go for it.
And if it doesn't work first time, you should go and give it a second try.
Try it again and again because there's always another chance.
Yep.